Explain how you're fat and why you're fat.
I had 2 kids in a row. And
Right in a row.
Not in 9 months. A row.
And I have a slow metabolism.
Don't look at me. Look at this little green light right here.
And I'm extremely overweight.
Why?
I just told you why.
And how does that make you feel?
Sad.
What are you going to do about it?
Slit my wrist.
It's not funny.
You better not put this on the internet or anything.
I'm going to
like
YouTube
that.
the shit out of this video
I'll
right now.
kill you. Look at this. Oh, wait. Oh, I don't even want to look at me.
Take your neck and go like this. See how much fat you have. Turn it to the side.
How bad is it?
Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's like Rooster Neck, half an eye. You know what I'm saying?
Good thing you can't see my ass.
Don't push me. Alright, it's cool.
Alright, stop.